Here also enter all names in English and in your native language. So this is 5669. Okay, edit. Full name given your full name written in your native language or Smith. So you know what to do, right? Information, personal details of your father. Yes. Enter all names in English and native. So that's what we are gonna do. So again, like I'm writing just Peter and Smith. I don't need to show you again how to do this. Like you need to write in your native language, in this case Hindi. You can always write next to it by using Google. I'm just skipping it now for now. So, but that's okay. Date of birth. Uh, this is for your father, right? Okay. Date of birth. So 1975. 10. Date of death, if this is, let's say, he's alive. Town, city of birth. Let's say he was born in New Delhi. Country or territory of birth. Let's say he was born in India. Personal details of your mother. Family name at birth. Let's say Smith. Uh, Given name Nancy. Again, language, you know how to do that. Date of birth. I mean, in your native language I showed you above, you can follow the same process and write here. I'm just a sample, so I'm not doing that, but you should definitely do. She's alive, let's say. In Delhi, country or territories of country, India. Questionnaire, be very careful. Been convicted of a crime or offense in Canada for which a pardon has not been granted under the criminal records of Canada? I select no. So read it very carefully, you guys. Don't make anything wrong with this. Okay. I'm putting no for all, but always read, understand, and then answer. And if you answer yes to any, you need to provide explanation. Education. Okay. Give the number. So let's say she has followed Indian pattern 5, 10 plus 2, so 7, and University College 3. Give full details of secondary and post-secondary, including, okay. So secondary from high school onwards till here. So she needs to provide that information. So, and if you want to add more, you can always click on add another and do. So let's do this. Let's say 2000 she was born. So 5 years she started school. So in 2010 she joined high school 01 and 7 years. So till 20 uh, 7, it's gonna be 2017, right? Yeah, 2017. Yeah, 2017 01. Name of institution, New Delhi High Institution. Just sample. Sample, guys. Country. Maximum length is 20. Wow. So I need to change. New Delo. New Delo school. Okay. I hope this is accepted. Perfect. City and country. So New Delhi, India. Type of certificate or diploma issued. So just I'll say high school, but like depending upon your board, it could be intermediate, whatever. just check your form, which kind of certificate has been issued to you, and do that. Field of such study provide. So I'll just put science, but provide in like what field you have studied. Okay. Uh, okay. Add another. So here, let's say after leaving school in 2017, she joined college from 2017-02 and studied 3 years. 2020-02. Name of institution, provide information. I'm just putting sample. City, let's say she again studied in New Delhi, India. Type of certificate. So I'll just say Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science. Okay, just to make it consistent. Science. Field of study, I select 17 character. Uh, so I'll just say VSC. Okay. You can explain these things later in your letter of explanation. Field of study, science, science, personal history. For past 10 years or since 18th birthday if it is less than 10 years ago. So for her born in 2000, 18 years, 2018. So after that, start with most recent under activity. So okay, write your occupation job title if you were working, not working, problem for what you were doing, unemployed, staying, traveling, retired, in detention. If you're outside the country to international, indicate your status. Okay, fine. So let's say like we have to provide from 2018 because that's the year. So till 2018 till today. Uh, no, wait. 2018. What was we did? Like 5, 17, 20. Yeah. So she was studying till 2020, for example. Right. So she was studying. Like her case, you do it as per your case. New Delhi, India. Do it as per your case. Status in country. So she was a citizen. Name of company, school, whatever is the school, college name. Okay. Studied. Uh, add another. But you know what? They have asked for most recent. So we should change it. Because most recent, let's say 2020, after finishing school, she joined. So that should be what we should doing. So let's say 2020, she joined school. Okay. To till today. So I'll put 2024. Can I leave it here? Yeah. So you are like if it accepts, you can say in the explanation that you are still doing this. Let's say she's working now. Yeah, because we have to do with the recent one. Okay, citizen, name of employer, whatever. Now, whatever we had doing and studying here, we'll put that information here. And we can click on save and continue. I did not do, but you write for everything. Membership and association. Okay. She was write none in the first input field if you're not been a member of. So I cannot write none here because data, even if I try to, so I'll put none. And kind of organization that they want a detail, you can see political, social, youth or student organization, trade union or professional association. Provide that information. So if you have been associated, if not, just government position. If you have worked like this, you need to. And if not applies, none in the first field. I select none. Military and paramilitary service, same thing. If you have not done, click on none. Address. Oh, it is already picked up. How long you have been living? Past 10 years or since 18 birthday. Okay. So I can do like this in this case. All right. So this is done.